In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a footer in Microsoft Word. Footers are a useful feature that allows you to include information at the bottom of every page in your document, such as page numbers, author names, document titles, or dates. Learning to use footers can give your documents a more professional and polished appearance, and it's easier than you might think. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load the document where you want to add a footer. Once your document is open, go to the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Header and Footer section, you'll see the option labeled Footer. Click on it, and a gallery of pre-designed footer styles will appear. These styles include simple lines, decorative designs, or even space for multiple elements like text and page numbers. Next, choose the footer style that best suits your needs by clicking on it. The footer will then appear at the bottom of your document. You can click inside the footer area to enter your content. This could be anything from page numbers to your name, the document title, or the date. It's a flexible space where you can include any information you want to appear on each page. If you need to edit an existing footer, simply double-click inside the footer area. This activates the footer for editing, and you can make any changes you need. You can add new text, adjust the font or size, change the alignment, or even insert images. For example, to add page numbers, go to the Insert tab and select Page Number, and choose the location and style you prefer. This automatically adds page numbers to your footer throughout the document. For documents with multiple sections, you'll notice that footers can be customized individually for each section. You can use the Link to Previous option to apply the same footer across sections, or leave it unlinked to have different footers in different sections. This is particularly useful when working on reports, book chapters, or documents that require distinct headers and footers for different parts. Once you've finished making your changes, click Close Header and Footer on the ribbon, or simply double-click outside the footer area to return to the main document. If you ever need to remove a footer, you can open the footer area and press Delete. And that's it. You now know how to add and edit a footer in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.